Alright, so Rick Ross and Jazzma are out here showing the people what real love looks like as they can't get their hands off each other. Jazzma says they are in Saint Tropez watching all these yachts, but Ross is the biggest boat.
Back again. Okay, you're gonna burn my fingers.
If you're in a relationship, have you ever experienced beautiful narcissism? Narcissistic ways? Looking at it. Looking at it. Pray for me. Keep me in your prayers. I hope everything be alright.
Y'all know he loves every second of this, right? Y'all see it. We're here in Saint Tropez admiring the big yachts. You know, all these yachts are nice and all, but I got the biggest boat right here. The biggest boat here.
The mother boat.
Was that corny, baby? Or was it cute? I got the biggest boat. Was it corny or was it cute?
Baby, no, this is so mean.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.